The 2018 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.